Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so I have been making a lot of Fortnite dance tutorials lately, so this time I thought I'd do something different. As you can read from the title, I will be doing the PUBG Finger Dance Challenge. Now that doesn't mean I'll stop making the Fortnite dance tutorials. You can still request those and other dances as well. Alright, so let's get started. So we're starting here, so our left, but you want to be able to see your chest here, yeah? So, looking to our left, we're starting by looking to the front here. Now you want to take your left arm, close fist here, place it at your right shoulder, and then you want to take your right hand here, and I'm just going to show you from the side. Looks like this. Yep, let's just practice that. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, left, right, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, left, right. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, left, right. Okay, so from here, your fingers are gonna go index fingers, middle fingers. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you here. So it's index finger, middle finger. From here, they wanna do a split, not a exaggerated split, but just a small one, or else you won't be able to see the middle fingers. Yeah, so it's split here and not here. So let's practice from here. We're gonna say index fingers, middle fingers, split. 5, 6, 7, 8. Index, middle, split. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Index, middle, split. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Index, middle, split. Alright, let's take it from the tip to the top. So quick recap starting here. Looking to our left, then we're gonna look to the front, left, right, index, middle, split. 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, left, right, index, middle, split. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, left, right, index, middle, split. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, left, right, index, middle, split. Okay, so we just did index, middle, split. From here, I want to turn my left arm like this, yeah? So that my index fingers are aligned. Yeah, so from here, turning my left, tick. Now I want to turn my body. Here I'm facing the left side. Now I want to face to the front. Yeah, from here to here. So again, index, middle, split, tick, here. So after align, front, I want to say out, and then before my left was behind the right, now I want to put it in front of the right. So behind, in front. So I was here, tick, tuck, and in front. Again, let's just take it from the split. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tuck, tuck, and in front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tick, tuck, and in front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tick, tuck, and in front. Alright, let's try it from the tip to top. So quick recap, we're starting here. Now we're looking left, right, index, middle, split, align, front, in front. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, left, right, index, middle, split, align, front, in front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, left, right, index, middle, split, align, front, in front. So let's try with the melody. The melody goes did, 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 did. Yeah? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Did, 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 Alright, so we just did the left and front. Now from here, I want to take my right arm and swing it up like this, whoop, to form a square here. So I'm just going to show you again. I went from here to here. Yeah. Now I want to release my ring fingers and my pinkies. So I'm going to do wah. I was here. I'm doing wah. Now I want to take my right arm down again to form a line here. Yeah. So this is a line. So I was here. Now I'm going wah. So the new part, left is in front of the right. Yeah. Now I'm saying square, whoop, release, whoop, line, whoop. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Square, whoop, release, whoop, line, whoop. 5. Left in front of the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Square, whoop, release, whoop, line, whoop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Square, whoop, release, whoop, line, whoop. Alright, so let's say from the tip to top with the new part. So just a quick recap. We're saying look, left, right, index, middle, split, align, front, in front, square, release, line. 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, left, right, index, middle, split, align, front, in front, square, release, line. Now with the melody. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. Now for the next part, it's as if this works as a hinge. Yeah, here, this point. So when I'm taking back my left here, my right goes like this. Yeah, so it's here. I'm just gonna show you like this. When I take this back, this one turns like this. Whoop, like this. I was here, I'm going here. Yeah, so I'm going here. Now I want to take my left and say whoop. Yeah, so I was here. I want to say over here. Now I just want to say switch. So I was here with my left elbow up here. Now I'm saying switch to my right elbow up. From here to here. Okay, so let's practice the new part. We're gonna say hinge, left, turn. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hinge, left, turn. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Hinge, left, turn. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Hinge, left, turn. Let's try from the tip to top with the new part. So quick recap. Look, left, right, index, middle, split, align, front, in front, square, release, line, new part, hinge, left, turn. Now with the melody. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 Alright, so we just did pull back, cross over, turn. From here, I want to turn to my right side, just keeping my hands like this, yeah? So now we're pointing to the front. Now I want to take my left hand and go out like that, yeah? So I was here, I'm going here. Now I want to take my right hand and go up. I was down here, now I want to say up. Now my left wants to say index finger on the other index finger, so it's resting here, yeah. Now I want to turn to my left side. I'm going turn to the left. Now the right is going flat hand, the left is going pistol, yeah. So the pistol is resting on my, and then I'm saying bang. Again, whoop, from here, I want to say turn to my right. Now I want to say left, out, right, up, left, up, turn to my left, pistol, flat hand, bang. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to my right, left, right, left, turn to my left, pistol, bang. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to my right, left, left, turn to my left, pistol, bang. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to my right, left, turn to my left, pistol, bang. Alright, let's take it from the tip top, the whole thing. So, quick recap. We're saying look, left, right, index, middle, split, align, front, in front, square, release, line, hinge, left, turn, to the right, left hand, left hand, to the left, flat hand, bang. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, left, right, index, middle, split, align, front, in front, square, release, line, hinge, left, turn, to the right, left hand, left hand, to the left, left hand, bang. Alright, let's try again with the melody. 5, 6, 7, 8. Doot, 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 doot. That bang. 6, 7, 8. Doot, 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 doot. That bang.